Who doesn't like to receive gifts? And especially when the gifts are handmade, it touches our heart. And before we start the video, Happy New Year to all of you. आप सभी को नया साल मुबारक और आपका हमारा हम सभी का ये साल अच्छा जाए. Hello and namaste everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to show you few cute and tiny gift ideas. They are tiny but useful. And also I am going to start a series called DIY gift series, and it will be in 3 parts. So today is the first one, and in my second video I will upload a goodie box, and my third video is very interesting. It will be on DIY Harry Potter gift ideas. So stay tuned for that video. That video is going to be interesting. So all 3 videos are going to be interesting, and if you are here for the first time and you want to watch more videos, then subscribe to my channel and welcome to the creative family. And especially for this video I have gift wrapped myself. You can see the bow. So now let's get into the video. To make this bookmark, I have ice cream stick and felt. This comes in 2 types, soft and hard. This one is bit hard, and I'm making a cat face on the felt and cutting it out with the scissor. Then adding some red color felt for the ears and black foam seed for the eyes. You can use hot glue as well as Fevicol, but it will take some time to dry. That's why I'm using hot glue here. Then I'm using the marker to draw her nose and mouth. Now place this on the ice cream stick and you are done. Your cute bookmark is ready. For the second bookmark, I am taking this transparent folder and cutting it out in a shape of bookmark. Next I have to make a hole using some sharp object. Here I am using a pin because I don't have punch hole machine. Now to make it big I am using a pencil. Then I am making some flowers using acrylic paint, and I will keep it very simple. Then insert the ribbon with the help of pencil. With the same way I have made 2 more bookmarks. On this one I have made kawaii characters, cartoon characters, and on the another bookmark I have made green feather, and I finally got the punch hole machine and making a single hole in it, and then I am repeating the same process. Now I am putting all the bookmarks in the envelope and my gift is ready.
And you smoke on your chair while I was trying to sleep. I smell the smoke in the air, but that was
Second DIY is bunny clips. For this you will need wool or yarn, felt, cloths, some old clips and hot glue. To make the pom-pom, you have to wrap the yarn around your fingers like this and make it thick. Then cut a small piece of yarn and tie it in the middle. Now cut the both sides using scissors like this. Make it like a ball. Now making one more pom-pom on my fingers, but this one will be slightly bigger than that pom-pom, and I am repeating the same process. Now I have 2 pom-poms. You can see the difference. Take the felt and make bunny ears on it and cut it out. Stick the red color felt on the white felt. Now join the 2 pom-poms together with the help of hot glue, and then join the ears also. Join the ear between the edge of the head and body.
21.
Now for the eyes, I am taking this masoor dal because I don't have those kind of eyes. That's why I took this and making them black with acrylic color. Sorry for the blurry video.
Drifting in the open breeze.
Now I'm placing these eyes on the bunny face and they are looking so cute.
Now I see we were never meant to be. If only we could travel back in time. Whoa, right where we belong. Maybe we'll never need a reason why. Whoa, dancing till the dawn. If only we could travel back in time.
And the last step is to place them on the clip. And your cute bunny clip is ready. This can be good hair accessories for kids. With the same way I have made another bunny clip. Third and the last DIY is clay pins or clay clips. To make this clip, take clay and make it like a ball and roll it. Don't make very thick, neither very thin. Here I am making a mushroom shape pin, so I am using a knife to give the shape. Then आपको थोड़ा सा water डाल के you have to make it smooth. Same way I'll make two more clips like heart and house shape clips. ठीक उसी तरह मैंने की चेन भी बनाए हैं. I'm doing hole with the help of pen to add the chain here. Now let them dry in the sunlight at least for a day. Now it's dried completely. Time to paint this with the acrylic paint. I'll use different colors. And believe me, they are looking so cute.
You and me, hanging from the willow tree, quietly.
Next you will need this type of wooden clips and put the hot glue on the clip and place those clay shapes. Place it little bit on the bottom side of the clip. Same way you have to attach all of them.
If only we could travel back in time.
My tiny clips are ready to go inside the envelope.
Maybe we'll never need a reason why. Whoa, dancing till the dawn. If only we could travel back in time. Whoa, right where we belong. Maybe we'll never.
For the keychain, I have added small piece of copper wire because that chain was not going inside. Then I have to attach the chain. And also I put the hot glue on the both ends of the copper wire so it won't hurt anyone. Now I'm making some traditional kind of design on the keychain.
Born from the same branch and leaves, wild and free, living here in harmony.
To the back side of the keychain, I have written S letter because I will give this to my husband and his name starts with S.
You leave, the world is never what it seems. If only we could travel back in time. Whoa.
This is completely done. Now this will also go inside the envelope.
Why?
also made something to hold these pens. I gave branding to this. I hope someday I will give this to my friends or to any of my subscribers.
So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you really find it useful and got some ideas. Stay tuned for the next 2 videos and please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.